Here are the highlights of SAP Intelligent Asset Management 1811, including SAP Asset Manager 3.0. In this release of SAP Asset Intelligence Network, there are new digital services and content package capabilities. This service enables manufacturers to promote and sell digital services via SAP Asset Intelligence Network. Through its integration with the SAP App Center, you can automatically share documents, failure modes, and instructions as soon as customers select and buy the associated App Center packages. Furthermore, there are some nice enhancements to the Lookup app. Customers can identify equipment by scanning NFC tags using mobile devices. In SAP Asset Strategy and Performance Management, we now enable operators and manufacturers to perform checklists and inspections. For instance, you can maintain attributes or indicators for questions in the checklist assessment, add documents to unpublished checklists, and compare the values of several checklist assessments. In the Assessment Template application, for checklist templates, you can define thresholds for checklist scores, add estimated cost and recommended frequency information, and update equipment master data. In SAP Predictive Maintenance and Service, we have introduced fingerprint management. Operators and manufacturers can capture a sensor data pattern, or fingerprint, for equipment at major milestones of the equipment lifecycle so they can refer to it again later to detect deviations from the normal behavior and plan actions to get the equipment back to the normal state. There's also a new alert page for analysing data associated with a selected alert. View relevant indicator values displayed in a time series chart, failure modes, causes, and recommended actions ranked by occurrence in the past. With SAP Asset Manager 3.0, the new customer service component enables maintenance of service equipment under contract at the customer or third-party sites. Find customer information about technicians' service engagements, business partner information, and contract and warranty information. In meter management, we have added support for periodic readings, disconnect and reconnect orders, and repair orders. We also bring SAP Asset Manager to Android tablets. The Android version is available through the Early Adoption Care Program. For a complete overview of all new features, visit the SAP Help Portal or find out more about SAP Intelligent Asset Management on www.sap.com. Thanks for watching.